A record 15 cars were launched in 2012, but they failed to win over Indian customers. Don't blame the car makers. This was also a year when car loans and petrol prices became more expensive. Even steep discounts by car makers failed to get the cars rolling off showroom.
This year has not been a memorable year for us at all. We've had high interest rates, we have petrol increases, we have the earthquake in Japan, we have the floods in Thailand and Bangkok, we have labor trouble.
The year will also be remembered for the changes it brought to the fortunes of car makers. Market leader Maruti lost share thanks to 96 days of strike at its Manesar plant, while Tata Motors and Toyota gained from Japanese car makers' production woes. As the industry moves into 2012, fingers are crossed among auto executives.
Having seen how badly we had judged the year at the beginning of the year, it's probably best to refrain from projection. Therefore, to expect the very high profit margin, to expect very high overall growth is perhaps unrealistic.
Fluctuating foreign exchange rate is another thing that auto companies are wary about in 2012. Auto industry is also worried about a slowdown in rural markets.
There's been a lot of money which has been pushed into the economy for consumption, so that's still holding. But I see that petering. I'm beginning to see the rural demand also beginning to peter now.
For Motown, the year will begin with the Auto Expo, where 40 new passenger cars will be on display. At least half of them will hit the road next year. Will this manage to turn around the fortunes of car makers? Well, nervous industry executives will just have to wait and find out. With Sumit Chaturvedi, New Delhi, Hamsini Amrita, ET Now, Mumbai.